Have you ever come across cosmetics that mention added gold in their ingredients? In my previous job in India, I had an incredible opportunity to work with a renowned organic skincare brand. Through close collaboration with the research and development team, I gained in-depth knowledge about the benefits of gold for skin health. So today, I'm excited to share those insights with you all. Gold has long been associated with luxury, but when it comes to skincare, many high-end brands claim that 24-karat gold can reduce wrinkles, improve skin elasticity, and enhance radiance. Let's explore how gold benefits your skin and the different forms in which you can incorporate it into your daily skincare routine for a more youthful and radiant glow. Gold in beauty and skincare dates back thousands of years. The Queen Cleopatra, who was known for her beauty in Egypt, was said to use a gold mask every night to maintain her youthful skin. In ancient China and Rome, gold was used for its healing and beautifying properties. In modern skincare, the trend resurged in Japan and South Korea, where brands started formulating gold-induced creams, masks, and serums. And today, the skincare industry is booming with its new formulations containing 24K gold. Several skincare brands have embraced gold-infused formulas like La Prairie, Chantecaille, Tatcha, Forest Essentials, House of Beauty, and Swarnak 24K Gold Ayurveda, a brand dedicated entirely to gold-infused skincare. When you see 24K gold listed in skincare, it means that the gold is in its purest form without any mixing of other metal alloys. In the skincare range, 24K gold is available in three forms. One is colloidal gold, which is the liquid form where tiny gold nanoparticles are suspended in the base for better skin absorption. Second is gold leaf or flakes. These are the thin layers of gold which are applied directly to the skin in masks or cream form. And third one is nano gold. These are ultra-fine gold particles designed to penetrate deeper into the skin to make them more skin-friendly. Nano gold is generally the most effective for skincare due to its superior absorption and ability to interact at a cellular level. Colloidal gold is a close second, especially for hydration and anti-inflammatory effects, and gold leaf provide more of a cosmetic effect rather than deep skin benefits. Now that we know which form of gold is most effective for skincare, let us know about its benefits for the skin. Anti-aging. Gold is believed to stimulate collagen production, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Brightening effect. It enhances skin radiance by improving blood circulation and thus brightens the skin tone. Anti-inflammatory. Gold has natural anti-inflammatory properties, helping with acne, redness, and sensitivity. Antioxidant protection. It fights oxidative stress and protects against environmental damage. Skin firming. Studies also suggest that gold helps to tighten and rejuvenate the skin. If you want to try gold-infused skincare and get such benefits, here's how you can incorporate it. Gold sheet masks. Use these once a week for hydration and glow. Serums and creams. When choosing these, look for colloidal or nano gold for better absorption. Apply a few drops of a gold serum after cleansing and toning. Follow up with a gold-infused moisturizer to lock in hydration. Gold-infused makeup primers. Apply a thin layer of these primers before your foundation or BB cream. This gives a dewy, radiant base. DIY gold masks. I have personally tried this one and my skin looked much more radiant after its application. All you need to do is to crush a few gold flakes and mix with 1 teaspoon of honey or aloe vera gel. Apply evenly to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry for an instant glow. Final thoughts. While 24-karat gold in skincare is luxurious and offers some benefits, it works best when combined with proven skincare ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants. If you love the idea of royal beauty rituals, gold-infused products can add a touch of glamour to your routine. However, as always, consult a dermatologist before making any significant changes to your skincare routine to ensure it's the right fit for your skin type. So, that's everything you need to know about enhancing your skin health with pure gold in your routine. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope our insights help you achieve a healthier, more radiant glow. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until the next video, take care and keep glowing.